Well, Obama's disinformation czar, Linda Douglas, is back. She's resurfaced again to clarify any misconceptions that you may have about President Obama's health care plan. Take a look.
And in this case, this was, a bunch of clips that were taken out of context with a headline that said the president wants to eliminate private insurance. Well, that is the absolute opposite of what he's talking about.
Hold on. No, it's the opposite. Last week, you may remember, I introduced you to our own czar, the disinformation czar, Stu Burguiere.
Right, yes, that's true. I'm dressed like her because I'm a huge fan. She's very talented. She actually made the incredible leap from mainstream media reporter all the way to Obama administration mouthpiece.
Okay. Well, now we've got a problem here because there's some things that just don't really make sense. There's some things that don't make sense with health care. And is our czar ready? We have this. And here he is, because he has to clarify some things on her disinformation.
Of disinformation about information from offices of disinformation. I'm dressed like this to give you your healthcare information in a way that's less threatening and more creepy, whichever way you look at it. Today we're going to look at something very interesting from Howard Kurtz. He was talking to Linda Douglas, who is the journalist turned Obama mouthpiece, or Obama mouthpiece turned Obama mouthpiece. And she was sitting here talking to Howard Kurtz about the healthcare plan and how Obama seems to have supported single-payer care in the past. Here's the exchange.
So you can say, well, misrepresented or perhaps suggested that this is his position now. But apparently he had a different position when he was a senator, and that's legitimate.
He didn't have a different position when he was a senator.
There's something I agree with. But we did find out here that, it is a little unfair what conservatives are doing. They are accusing Barack Obama of lying now, and honestly, it's a little bit unfair. There are a lot of innocent explanations about what he was doing. For example, he could have been lying then. Or, for example, Linda Douglas could be lying. Or maybe all of their statements are just filled with lies. I don't know. It's certainly very, very, very possible. And in case you don't remember the supporting evidence here, this is Mr. I forgot that I support universal single-payer care. This is back, though, if you can remember, way back in the day. This is back when we were at war with Iraq and Afghanistan.
I happen to be a proponent of a single-payer universal health care plan. A single-payer healthcare plan, universal healthcare plan. That's what I'd like to see. But as all of you know, we may not get there immediately, because first we've got to take back the White House and we've got to take back the Senate.
But what we did learn from Barack, of course, is that he's a proponent of single-payer care. But the English language is, honestly, it's a very, very evasive thing. What does that word even mean, proponent? It's all these syllables. It's so complicated. So we can look at the definition. We have, let's see, the dictionary definition here. Which is, of course, a person who pleads for a cause or an idea, an advocate. Or we can go, of course, with Linda Douglas's definition, what I believe is something like someone who doesn't support a policy but then routinely says he does in front of friendly audiences and cameras, all while hiding his future desire to plot the implementation of a less complete version of that policy that just happens to be more politically expedient. Honestly, it could be either one. Who knows? It's just so complicated. Proponent? Look at all those syllables.
All right. Thank you very much, Steve Burguiere, who looks oddly comfortable like that. Your emails and what is happening on 9/12 next.